Hi, I'm Kamini Patel on IFN Vegetarian. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications for my new videos. Today's recipe is going to be a Gujarati Sev Tomato Shaak. I'm going to start by heating oil, about a teaspoon and a half. And once that heats, I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Until then, I'm going to chop my garlic. My seeds are beginning to bubble, so now I'm going to add the onions, some green chilies, and a bit of hing. I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes until my onions are translucent. And now I'll add my garlic, and I can also add my salt. So now I can add my tomatoes, add some water. So this is a very personal choice. It depends on how much gravy you want. And then you cover it. Give it about 5 minutes. So I'm going to add the rest of my dry masalas. Some turmeric, some red chili powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. And then you stir it in and put the lid back to let it cook further. So the consistency is just what I like it to be. And at this point, stir in my fresh coriander and save. For this recipe, you can use any kind of save that you have at home. And now I'm ready to plate. So there you have it, the Sev Tomato Shaak from Gujarat. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to IFN Vegetarian.